Good morning, first grade. Today is lesson 79 for phonics. We are going to start by reviewing our sight words. We have a long stack, but let's get to it. The, said, of, do, into, to, who, you, your, color, what, from, are, friend, there, come, some, does, goes, been, put, want, was, where, to, done, one, sure, don't, won't, bought, brought, fought, thought, could, should, would, school, says, give, have, live, they, people, I, love, move, any, many, another, brother, mother, other, only, something, answer, were, early, earth, heard, learn, word, work, world, and once. Very good. That was 66 words. Great job. All right, now let's move on to our new skill today. Echo these words and listen for the sound in the final position. Grow, low, show. What sound do you hear in the final position of grow, low, and show? Oh, very good. O is a voiced sound. Oh, you can feel that. Oh. So look at these words, grow, low, and show. There are two letters making the O sound in these words. Can you guess what they are? O and W, very good. What do we call two letters that come together to make one sound? A digraph, very good. So is digraph OW a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? It is a vowel digraph. Even though it contains consonant W, it's a vowel digraph because it makes a vowel sound, and the first letter of digraph OW is a vowel. How do we code digraphs? Do you remember? We underline them. All right, so let's start coding these words. We have digraph OW, and the letter W is silent in this digraph. So we cross it out. And the sound that we hear is the long sound of O. So we'll put a macron above the O. Okay, let's look at the next word. We have digraph OW, macron above the O, cross out the W, it is silent. And in show, there are two digraphs. We have digraph SH and digraph OW. Again, the O is making the long sound. It needs a macron. Cross out the W, okay? We will practice coding some more words, but first, let's look at our picture card for digraph OW. Our new keyword for OW ends in O, the O sound. Let's see if you can guess it. This is something that is found on birthday presents. It's usually made of brightly colored ribbon. Sometimes girls wear one in their hair. What do you think it is? It is a bow. When you see this card, say bow, O. The keyword bow helps us remember the O sound spelled with digraph OW. Okay? So now, when we talk about the letters that make the sound O, we have one more thing to add. So before, we had been writing O, consonant E, comma O. But today we learned digraph OW also says O, and that is usually in the final position. So we'll put final digraph OW. So this is the spelling response. O, consonant E, comma O, final digraph OW, okay? We will practice this again on our worksheet. Before we go to our worksheet, we are going to code 2 phrases today, just for some more practice. So I am going to write on my board, grow corn and rice. And I am also going to write check on Dexter. All right, so let's go through and practice coding these words. The first word has digraph OW. So we will underline the digraph, put a macron above the O, cross out the silent W. Grow. Next, we need a K back on the C, and we have combination OR. Can you read the next word? Corn. Corn. And just has a short vowel sound, so we'll put a brevy above the A. Looking at the last word in the first line, we see I, consonant E, so a macron above the I, cross out the silent E. Now look, also, what is after the C? What letter? E. Do you remember from yesterday? When C has E after it, it is a soft C. So that C is going to say S. So I put my cedilla. This word is rice. Okay, soft C from yesterday. Let's move on to the next phrase. We have 2 digraphs in the first word. Digraph CH to underline and digraph CK. Remember the C is silent here, and we need a brevy above the E. This word was check. The next word just has a short vowel sound since the vowel is followed by a consonant. We need a brevy, and this word is on. Next, we have a brevy above this E as part of a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. This E is part of a combination, combination ER. This word was Dexter. Which syllable is accented in Dexter? The first one, so put your accent mark. All right, very good job learning digraph OW. Join me for the worksheet.